Okay guys, so the secret to SEO is not SEO itself, but how you can collaborate with your team members to produce better content for SEO purposes. And to achieve this, all you need is one single plugin. And that plugin is called Multicollab, and with it you will transform your WordPress into a Google Docs style collaboration tool. So let me show you what this looks like. Okay guys, so it doesn't really matter which SEO plugin you have installed, it all comes down to the content. So as you can see here, we have the word balance, with common words and also emotional words. So basically the way we're going to phrase our content here is going to impact our SEO scoring. And once you've gone through the analysis of your blog post, well, you can start applying all these changes in the content itself. And for this, wouldn't it be nice to be able to invite your colleagues to work on the same blog post as you and help you out with this? So for this, you can simply click on the share button here. And by using the email address, you can send them a notification. So let's invite, for instance, David here. So then you can assign a role. So is David going to be a viewer, a commenter, or a co-editor? So in our case here, to be able to make changes and to be able to help you with the content, we're going to set the role as co-editor. And now you can notify David, and now you can type a personal message as well. So for instance, hi Dave, I need your help tweaking the content of this blog post for SEO purposes. Thanks. And now you can send the notification. And as you can see, the invitation was sent, and this is the email that David will receive. As you can see, you're invited to collaborate, and then the title of the blog post. And now to access this, all he has to do is to click on this button here to open the blog post without needing any credentials. Now at the moment, if David tries to access the blog post, he will see this message: John Doe is currently working on this post, so he can either take over or exit to the editor. Now let me show you an amazing feature. So back to our main screen here, I can go to Multicollab. We go to settings, scroll down the page, and you will find this one here, real-time editing. Now if you enable this and then save our changes, now both of them, John Doe and David, will be able to work together at the same time on the same blog post. Now if I open these side by side, as you can see, this one is John Doe's screen and this one is David's screen, and as you can see, all the same content. Now let's say if John Doe start working on this paragraph here, immediately on David's screen he will see what's happening, and he will see that John Doe is editing this block. And the same thing will happen if David starts working on any of those paragraphs. So if I was to edit this one here, maybe start typing something, okay? Start typing just like this, okay? As you can see, immediately on John Doe's screen, we can see all the changes that are taking place. And if you look here on top, we can see who's working at the moment. So we have David and John Doe, and on David's screen, we have John Doe and David. So at the moment, as you can see, I only have 2 people working on this blog post, but you can invite up to 6 different collaborators. Very cool. So this is one way to use Multicollab to your advantage. Now let's disable that feature. Okay, just like this. So save draft. Now let me show you one of the other features that's available with Multicollab, which is the inline comment. So if you wanted to communicate with your coworkers and get some direct feedback, you could simply highlight a section and add an inline comment. So let's say if you're not too sure about this sentence here, simply highlight it, click on this plus sign here, and now you can type your comment. So you can tag someone else immediately by typing the @ sign and typing their name. So @David as an example here, okay, and type your message next to it. So is that optimized for SEO? Does it convey enough feelings? And I can assign this to David directly, in which case he will be responsible for marking it as done. If this is left unticked, anyone can mark it as done once completed. So let's pause our comment. And now from David's screen, you can see your message here. All you have to do is click on it. It will be brought directly to this section. As you can see, this is highlighted in vivid yellow. And now he can post the comment. So he's going to read this and see what's happening, okay? And then he can reply directly. So perhaps I would replace fostering innovation with something else. Sounds a bit cliche, and then reply. And now John Doe can see your reply. So what can we do now? I'm going to show you another amazing feature, which is the suggest edit. So in our case, this is absolutely perfect. So let's go back here, we go to settings, and to have access to this one, we need to enable it as well, just like that, okay? So now we can close this, and you can see the suggestion mode is now on, and now I can suggest an edit. So all I have to do is basically highlight this section here, so maybe fostering innovation, and now next to it, I'm going to type my suggestion. So for instance, simplifying workflows. So as you can see, this one is in green, and this one is crossed off in red. So this section is the one we want to get rid of, and this is the one we want to replace it with. And as you can see by the side, it is recorded automatically, and now anyone coming along can either accept or reject our suggestion. So let's accept it. And as you can see, those changes have taken place. And finally, you can also suggest a formatting edit. So if I wanted to emphasize the word multi-collab here, I can highlight it, maybe suggest it to be in bold and italic. And again, this is recorded here by the side, and anyone coming along can either accept or reject the suggestion. So again, let's accept it as an example. And as you can see, those changes also have taken place. And as always, once everything is completed, you can mark it as done, mark it resolved, and then click yes. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Now if you are interested and would like to try this out for yourself, we offer a 30-day free trial of our Pro plan where you can test all the Multicollab features. So for this, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and this will bring you to this page, and under the Pro heading, simply click on this button here. Now simply enter a few details and that's it. You're ready to enjoy the Pro version of Multicollab for free for 30 days. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.